Are you trying to figure out how to use SuiteDash for business automation? Well, in this quick explainer, we're going to dive into how SuiteDash can help streamline your workflows and automate key business tasks. But hold on, because we'll also talk about some alternatives that might actually be better for your goals. And yes, there's an exclusive free trial for SuiteDash and its competitors at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around. First off, SuiteDash markets itself as an all-in-one business automation platform, aiming to replace a ton of different tools. It covers CRM, project management, invoicing, client portals, and more. The idea is to consolidate everything into one dashboard, no more jumping between apps. Next thing, SuiteDash offers a fully customizable client portal. For businesses that need to manage client relationships, this is a game changer. You can give clients access to their own dashboard where they can see their projects, invoices, and even communicate with your team. But the downside here is that the learning curve is steep. It's not exactly intuitive for beginners, and getting everything set up properly takes time. The third thing worth mentioning is its automation features. SuiteDash includes tools for email marketing, task management, and billing automation. This is a solid plus for businesses that want to automate routine tasks like invoicing and follow-ups. However, the automation setup could be much smoother. It's not as user-friendly as other tools in the market, and the interface can feel overwhelming. The fourth thing that stands out is its CRM system. You get a solid suite of CRM features like lead management and pipeline tracking, making it easier to manage your contacts. But when compared to more dedicated CRM tools, SuiteDash does fall short in some areas, especially in terms of reporting and analytics. If detailed customer insights are your priority, you might find SuiteDash lacking. Moving on, SuiteDash does have some strong project management capabilities, including task assignment, time tracking, and collaboration tools. But like its automation features, it's not the most intuitive platform to use. Some might find it clunky compared to simpler alternatives that focus on just project management. Now, as promised, we have some alternatives to SuiteDash. While SuiteDash does pack a punch with its all-in-one approach, tools like Monday.com or ClickUp might be better suited if your goal is a smoother, more user-friendly experience. Both of these options provide simpler, yet highly effective automation features and more intuitive dashboards. Plus, you'll find these platforms easier to navigate with a cleaner interface. But don't just take my word for it. Here's the deal. We've partnered up with SuiteDash to offer you an exclusive extended free trial. And not only that, but we also have the best free trial offers for these amazing alternatives, which are designed to boost your productivity and help automate your business workflows. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best deal available for SuiteDash and, even better, exclusive benefits for our viewers to take advantage of these platforms. So, if you're looking for the right business automation tool, be sure to check out the link below and see which one works best for your needs. Thanks for watching!